IKEA. Gonna take a walk around the showroom, see what speakers we can find, buy them, and then take them back to the office and get Dave and Harley to give us their first impressions and test them out a little bit. Get the rundown on, are IKEA speakers scamming you? Are they a very fair option?
Let's see what we find.
Let's go!
This is absolutely glorious. This is amazing.
It's always a good day when you're at IKEA. Oh, hey, you got one right here.
No, that's an Xbox.
Oh, no. My bad.
Oh.
The good old
Vapabees.
What do you think Dave will think of this one? Oh, you can't even take it. It's that good.
It is Bluetooth that's easy to use.
It has clear, powerful sound.
Clear and powerful sound.
25 hours of playtime.
That's pretty good.
Open and discover.
Jars.
It's just like our one at the office.
Yeah.
When I sit here, I just feel right at home. Oh my god, it doesn't click. Bring back buttons.
Bring back buttons.
Buttons need to make a comeback for headphones. You don't understand. Like, I'm not...
It's our next victim. This one's called the
Not Bad.
Not Bad. Ooh.
Not bad. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
Let's test his buttons.
Right. Button test. Oh, it's clicky. It's clicky. That's good.
So I guess that's all we need to know about it.
That's a good sign. I already like this one more.
I'm curious. Well, I guess this one's, yeah, it's kind of nice looking.
The cool thing about this one is it has a multi-speaker mode and create like a big quasi surround sound system. I mean, they've got a bunch over there. Look.
Yo, this guy's got surround sound.
This guy's got so many not bads. Passes the clicky button. It's clicky. It's not bad. Bluetooth speaker. Oh, still stuck to the card.
Who's this guy?
Is another Vapabee. Looks like something, a portable Bluetooth speaker with a USB-C. Doesn't pass the clicky button test.
Nope.
Not at all. These are mushy. However, again, it looks waterproof, nice and simple. I'm sure they come in a lot of fun colors as well.
Yeah, so we heard that some of like the lamps were speakers, so we're heading to the lighting section right now.
It's so bright. This must be what going to heaven feels like. I see something, Laura. Laura and I see something.
Another Vapabee.
It's another Vapabee. But it's shaped like a duck. Comes in pink and green.
I think we should get the green.
I guess so it comes with a little light assembly.
A little bow tie.
You can put that right on and and it glows green. Look at that. And he looks so polite.
He does look so polite. I like this guy. I think we should
That's
take him
lovely.
home.
Disco light that pulsates with several colors in time with the music being played.
I think we should get
Green or pink?
green.
Green?
Yeah. It's coming home.
First purchase. Vapabee Gen 3. One of these guys. Let's get a yellow.
I think that concludes our time at IKEA. We found four speakers. And we're ready to go back to the office and see if they're actually any good.
Why doesn't even introduce us?
Still don't know what we're doing.
New hoodies? All right.
So you might not know this, but we actually went to IKEA today.
Oh.
And we picked up some of their Bluetooth speakers, and we want to hear what your guys' first impressions are and if you think they're good or not.
So use company money to buy Okay.
That's what
All
we
right.
used
your credit card, actually.
Okay, wait, no.
Let's see
no,
if they
that was not
pass.
approved.
Let's see if they pass the SoundGuys test. All right.
But
Oh,
how
yeah.
much was it?
Well, I like the box of this one so far. Do we know what this one's called? It's got a funny Swedish name.
Must be
The Vapabee.
the Vapabee, yes.
Let's check out the
Okay.
Vapabee.
Oh,
different.
oh,
Oh,
it's
it's
a
got a little
penguin.
face on it.
Aw.
Well, that's cute.
That's cute.
So
Okay, we got it.
So something you might not know about this guy is that it actually lights up.
Nice.
It's actually got multiple modes.
So we got the docking station too, which is pretty cool. Can we change the
I'm pretty
light
sure you
color?
can change the color if you press the light button.
Oh yeah, there we
there
go
we go.
for
That was
sleepy
to be like
time.
yeah, exactly, a nightlight.
So just green? Just green? What if I don't like green? Just from a lamp standpoint, I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10 because we need more color.
You're gonna lose some points right here though with the proprietary adapter. That should be USB-C.
yeah, that's
'cause
not-
if you
that's
lose
not
this
okay.
Or the cable goes, you're done. Let's focus on the sound on the Vapabee. Oh yeah, the Vapabee Peanut. That's cute.
Aw, does it only come as a penguin or are there other animals?
I think it's a chicken.
Oh,
Is it a
maybe.
chicken?
It's a Vapabee, it's Swedish.
So there's
Does
gotta
that
be...
mean chicken or penguin in Swedish?
Don't worry so much about the chicken.
No, see now we're not even getting to the audio stuff. I already have problems.
I'm surprised how fast you were able to pair to it. That was instant. I wonder where the drivers are though. You think there's multiple drivers in here, 360-degree sound? Well, here's something cool. It's IP54, which means
That's
it's
good.
protected against dust and water. So that's legit.
It's as water and dust resistant as a pair of AirPods Pro. Let's play some copyright-free rock
Let's
music.
hear how it sounds.
Let's do it. Oh, it does. It changes color.
It's beat synced. Okay. Bit of a AM radio station vibe going on there.
Like no bass and just full distortion. It's not 360 because I can only
Okay,
hear it
yeah.
coming out of the front.
4 watt.
Oh,
that
4
might
watt
be.
speaker, that's why.
So to compare, this is a 4.2 watt speaker or so.
Sounds way better.
Let's get one more tune in
Yeah,
there.
I got like bass house here.
Oh, now it's party. You know, I can see you hang it up in the corner and have a small AM radio party.
If it was me, I wouldn't put it in the corner. I'd put it back in the box and return it. How much was this?
How much do you think it was?
I'm gonna say if this is more than $40, I'm just gonna throw it out of spite.
This was $79.
79 bucks? Oh man. Yeah, I mean, definitely doesn't sound like $79.
This was $79. See, I want to throw it, but I really want to return this too. This is not. There's no way this is $79. You're actually me right now.
Yep, $79.
Wow. It's clear that the audio is not the priority. It's more about the vibes of the Vapor
We
Bee.
couldn't even tell if it was a chicken or a penguin. I'm
So-
returning it right now.
Okay,
Give me-
rate this out of 10.
The
I'll let you.
lighting, 8.5. Oh yeah, for sure. Bedtime vibes, solid 6.7. Audio, that's gonna be a 3.2. What do you think, Harley?
So, from a lamp perspective, I will be a bit generous. I'll give it 4 meatballs, Swedish meatballs out of 10.
How many Swedish
But
meatballs?
in terms of sound quality, I'm gonna give it a 2 Swedish meatballs out of 10. Don't buy it. Buy an Echo, like an Amazon Echo, a Google Nest,
But it's not a penguin.
and you don't have to question. No, we don't even know if this is a penguin, dude.
Oh, it's a penguin. It's got a little bow tie.
See, that's what I
chickens
thought. But
don't
then,
wear bow
then
ties.
the gaslit me to think it was a chicken. So
Yeah.
then I don't know what the truth is anymore.
Yeah.
Leave a comment down below. Is this a chicken or a penguin?
It's actually the child of the IKEA guy.
Yes, yeah, the question mark right there. Get a close up
Yeah,
on that.
see, he's trying to figure it out.
Chicken or penguin?
You
Let us
gotta
know in the
call,
comments
yeah.
down below.
Okay, next speaker.
Okay. That looks more promising.
Yeah. Okay, so it's Bluetooth as well. Got a little cloth top on there.
Don't mind this kind of yellow.
Color
So,
matched cable too. It's the little things that count.
Not
you know?
quite high on the lamp rating scale.
I don't think it's a lamp.
Oh, you're right.
This is just a speaker.
You're right, my bad. It's called the Not Bad.
The
It's
not
not bad.
The not
It's
bad
not
speaker.
bad for a name.
Bad. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
And by the way, you can actually use these in multi-speaker mode.
Ooh.
So you can link up
Them to a
multiple
bunch of
ones.
different-
Nope, that's my bass house music.
Let's,
Never mind.
let's let it rock. Oh,
That's
way
way
better,
better.
than that thing.
Wait for no. Oh yeah.
That's actually pretty decent bass response.
Okay, yeah, it's only front firing.
That's a pretty good output. Let's bring
It's not bad.
it
It's
down
not,
a bit.
doesn't sound like it's distorting too much.
You know, for a bedside speaker,
Yeah.
or for even a desk or something, maybe even a little
Yeah.
kitchen speaker.
But what
Play
does
pause
that button do? Okay, that is play pause. No, what? No, now it won't play.
Playing pool.
Oh no, that's copyrighted! Oh, that was
there.
probably like, because it switched to my Spotify and not
Yeah.
my. So I think maybe it's like a Spotify tap
So it
button.
does have a
Yeah.
Spotify tab.
Oh,
go.
wow.
Yeah.
That's a premium feature found on some premium Bluetooth speakers.
No, but then that also scares me with how much they probably paid for this.
Ah, but whatever it is, it's not bad.
It
It's not terrible. It's a little woofy, but
a little muddy.
yeah,
Definitely muddy for this kind of track.
yeah,
So
not a whole lot of high end. I've heard worse.
I've heard worse.
Definitely heard worse.
Definitely heard. Yeah.
I would say the not bad is
Not bad.
not bad.
Not bad.
Rate out of 10.
6 Swedish meatballs out of 10.
I think in terms of sound quality, I'm gonna give it like 6 dime bar pies out of 10. As of now, the color, I'm gonna rate it 7 mashed potato scoops out of 10.
And what's the price?
You gotta guess.
Good guess.
This is a game, Dave.
$139.
$149.99.
The price of Not Bad is $59.99.
Wow. So,
This does
yeah.
not need to be on the market if this
So it's
exists.
less.
This
Yeah.
is bull.
Yeah.
It's not even gonna be on camera anymore. No, don't look at it.
Well, so far the not bad
This
is the winner.
not. Who said you could buy that?
All right, next up we got this guy.
It's a cube.
looks like a giant CMF Buds 2 Pro
Oh, yeah,
case.
it's definitely the same
If you
blue
could pop
color.
up, I know there's gonna be some work for you in editing. Just put it next to here it is. Put it next to it. The CMF Buds right here. It's like the same blue.
It looks like a Fisher Price speaker.
My baby
Like-
is first.
Yeah, exactly.
Bluetooth speaker.
It's pure plastic. Okay, but you got
This-
the little rope attachment there. This is the
Wanna
vape.
be
This is
JBL.
also a Vapor Bee.
It is. It is.
It's the Vapor Bee PT. Yeah.
No, this entire product line sounds cursed.
We can
Hey,
do-
USB-C though.
Yeah, there we go,
USB-C.
nice.
You know what, Vapor-Bee? Maybe you know what's up. I mean,
Let's fire it up there. One button wonder.
Also has IP67.
yeah,
Really?
Okay, that's actually respectable for this
Great
kind of construction.
for the beach
Did you mean to say it's great for beach days, backyard barbecues,
and
pool
poolside
parties?
hangs. What else would you use a Bluetooth speaker for? Okay, now we're keeping in mind that it's a small speaker.
Yeah.
That's not terrible for like a little speaker.
Is it better than the penguin/chicken behind me?
Yeah, I'd say it's clear.
little bit.
There's better clarity.
But still no bass. There. I mean, the synths are coming through, like those high synths are
I've heard worse.
What are you rating it?
Well, if you can buy a speaker like this for 40 or 50 bucks, that's what I'm saying. This better be $20 because it's pure plastic and there's probably no passive radiator. It's probably
Yeah.
just a driver in there.
You know, I'll give it like a 3.5 to 4 cinnamon buns out of 10. I'm running out of IKEA food items, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, not drop proof, right? I mean, it doesn't look like it. I'd be 67 though. Honestly, shower speaker, maybe. If the price matches.
Give me the price. Price master, Ansel.
The price
Better not be more than 50.
$21.99.
Okay,
You know what?
There we go.
There is hope for this product line.
20 bucks. Toss it in your backpack. Forget about it.
Just gonna-
Does anything magical happen if you pair them together? I kind of think we should have this one out again. It's growing on me. It can be on my side. Don't look at it. Oh.
This looks promising. I think I've seen this before.
Is this the Nothing 9A?
Is this a nothing speaker? This is actually if nothing made a speaker.
Yeah.
This is also a Vapor-Bee.
What?
This product line.
The whole line.
I'm giving me mixed reviews here.
A few quick things about this one.
Yeah.
Yes.
First off, cloth face sold separately.
What?
That's what I was, because I was like, why does it look naked?
Yeah.
Secondly, power amp,
Power only. Okay.
But-
Let's look it up.
also a hot swappable battery.
What?
That's pretty
also
cool.
sold separately.
Also sold separately.
Huh.
This is
Swappable battery packs. Taking a page out of JBL's book with that.
Yeah, with the
one.
Party Box series nonetheless, and the
almost
Extreme
like-
4. Wait, battery sold separately?
Battery sold separately.
Yeah.
It's $30 for the battery.
Nice
How long?
Speaker.
Would the battery last?
25 hours of playtime.
Okay.
I'll be the judge of that.
Supposedly.
Auxiliary in. That's
nice.
another thing that most speakers don't have now.
Turn it on, shall we? Whichever the power button is.
I don't know, Harley. Which one's the power button?
Get the out of here.
No, Harley. No.
No, you're in my Bluetooth list. I don't like that. Okay.
We'll talk to him later. Yeah, we'll get more video. Oh yeah, well, the IKEA Nothing 3A. Let's hear how it sounds. Well, definitely the best of anything we've heard so
The
far.
snare. The snare
Yeah.
sounds good here.
Like you can hear the hi-hats out of all the speakers.
You can hear a little bit of distortion on the low.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. That's not bad. I've definitely heard better. But I guess looks-wise, like, if you're
Yeah.
really into the aesthetic, sure.
Yeah,
Like, actual good detail on the claps.
Yeah, exactly. It probably looks great on an IKEA shelf in our background here.
Oh yeah, this is an IKEA shelf.
Maybe we'll keep this one actually. We
By
run
the way-
NDAX on this bad boy.
By the way, this video is not sponsored.
Isn't sponsored.
Sorry.
Is this a Vapor-Bee?
Generation 3.
Wow.
Let's think about the facts real quick. No battery included. AC. It's 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. You've got multiple drivers going here. No mesh cover is
Oh yeah,
annoying.
mesh grill
Like,
sold separately.
I want the mesh grill. Okay, let's do ratings first before the price.
I'm gonna give it a 7 meatball out of 10 because it actually sounds okay.
7.5 veggie medallions. I think, yeah, it is the best one we've heard today. I mean, part of it is just, it is bigger. Size does matter when it comes to drivers. If they're charging accessories, maybe it's like a $159.99 situation.
It should be 80 bucks or less, but yeah, I'm scared it's gonna be more.
Because like
150.
they're like screwing us over because this is like reasonably priced. That's stupidly priced.
Yeah.
This is, and then this one, I'm like, please be good.
It is $99 even.
100 bucks.
I'm not mad. I'm disappointed.
100 bucks. You could buy this guy for 100 bucks.
You can get the
You
flex.
could buy this guy on sale for 100 bucks.
Yeah.
But that's cool, you know.
You could buy 2 of these and pair them in stereo.
Oh yeah. Best to worst.
Yeah, I was gonna ask.
There we go.
First, second, third. I don't even know if I want to put that
Sorry,
on screen.
little chicken guy. There we go.
But as the speaker expert here, the real question is, would you buy any of these over a non-IKEA speaker?
I wouldn't buy them over a speaker. If somebody was like, oh, I really want this cool big Vapor-Bee speaker for my room,
Especially
yeah,
for the
I'd say
looks.
go for it. I wouldn't recommend these. So now we know there are decent sounding speakers available at IKEA.
Yeah. Sorry, what you're saying is these speakers are not bad?
Not bad.
Actually, sorry,
Especially
this
this
is
one.
the not bad.
Not bad. Not bad. It's not bad.
No, wait, now how much was that?
colored like a duck would be colored. But I'm thinking penguin.
That's what
No,
they-
it's not a penguin. It's a chicken.
Yo, that's what I'm saying.
But it's yellow. What penguin's yellow?
Let's put it out of its misery.
ChatGPT says it's a penguin.
No. What the? Are you joking? No, that's ridiculous.
Only penguins wear bow ties.
No, but it's yellow. Why is it yellow?
Don't have a peanut shape. Okay. Ducks like penguins have like the pear shape. This is not a peanut. This is a pear. It's a pear.
Google Gemini says it's a duck.
Take this away before I break it. We're returning it. Get that out.
Send it back.
Nope.
Oh my God.
Take it away. I don't want it anymore.